Hello everyone, and welcome back to our interior design series. Today, we'll be transforming a kitchen into a charming farmhouse-style haven using a lovely combination of farmhouse gray kitchen cabinets and carefully selected components. So, let's get started. Before we begin decorating, let's talk about the design concept. Farmhouse style is all about creating a warm, rustic, and inviting atmosphere. We'll be using elements like distressed wood, vintage-inspired hardware, and cozy lighting to achieve that classic farmhouse charm. First things first, we need to assemble the base of our farmhouse gray kitchen cabinets. We have gorgeous gray shaker-style cabinet doors, supported by sturdy solid wood cabinet frames. And to ensure a smooth and quiet operation, we'll install cabinet drawers with soft close glides. Now, it's time to add the rustic and vintage-inspired touches that will truly elevate our kitchen's appearance. Let's start with the cabinet door hinges. Choosing black or bronze finishes can complement the gray cabinets beautifully. To accentuate the farmhouse look, we'll add drawer pulls in rustic or vintage style, and cabinet knobs with an antique finish. These small details can make a big difference in creating an authentic and charming ambience. One of the signature elements of a farmhouse kitchen is the farmhouse-style apron sink. Installing a white apron sink against the gray cabinets will create a stunning contrast and serve as a focal point in the kitchen. For our countertops, we'll go with either elegant quartz or classic marble. Their clean and polished look complements the rustic elements beautifully. To add a touch of vintage flair, we'll install a subway tile backsplash. To showcase some beautiful dishware and add an airy feel, we'll incorporate open shelving with distressed wood. It's a great spot to display your favorite kitchen items and add a personal touch to the design. Let there be light. We'll install rustic pendant lighting fixtures above the kitchen island and sink area. The warm glow will enhance the inviting atmosphere and create a cozy ambience. For an authentic farmhouse touch, we'll add wooden ceiling beams. These beams will add character and a sense of history to the kitchen. Next, we'll cover the floor with beautiful hardwood flooring or distressed wood laminate. This type of flooring complements the farmhouse style perfectly. And to add a functional centerpiece, we'll install a kitchen island with a distressed or weathered wood top. To give the cabinets an elegant and finished look, we'll add crown molding on the upper cabinets. Additionally, we'll include under cabinet lighting to brighten up the countertops and provide task lighting. For the final touch of charm, we'll install glass front cabinets to showcase some of our favorite dishes and decor items. It's a beautiful way to add personality to the kitchen. To make the space truly special, let's add a wooden range hood cover and a rustic barn door for the pantry or entryway. These unique elements will elevate the farmhouse vibe. Now that we've brought all these elements together, let's complete the farmhouse look by using mason jars for storage and decoration. They add a delightful touch of nostalgia and practicality. And there you have it. Our farmhouse gray kitchen cabinets have been transformed into a warm and inviting space, showcasing the timeless charm of farmhouse style. I hope you enjoyed this interior design journey as much as I did. If you have any questions or need more tips, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and happy decorating.